Good day, my friends. This is Dr. Digambar Naik. A little problem about water. That's one question I keep on facing every day. It's not a problem. It's sort of a explanation people keep on seeking, and they come with various little queries onto that. Our body basically is made up of 60 to 70% as water. Obviously, we pass urine, we sweat, and we continuously keep on losing water. And if we lose more water, we'll become dehydrated. If you don't lose water, we'll become overhydrated. Both are not the right ways to be healthy. Now the question is always asked to me, doctor, how much water do I drink? Average, we need about 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day. Sometimes it may be a little bit more, sometimes it may be a little less. And if you have a particular disease, like a kidney disease, your doctor will always give you either a restricted, or if you are dehydrated, he'll always ask you to take more water. How do we control this? Is it that I should give exactly 2.5 or I should have 3? This is very easily controlled by your own body. The best way to control your water intake is to respect your thirst. The moment you feel a little thirsty, drink water. And the moment you are happy, stop drinking. And the best way is not to drink a lot of water at a time, but the best way is to drink little by sips of water, little by little, a number of times. Now when it comes to the other thing, either hot water or cold water, very simple. Normal water, normal temperature water is all that will go very well with all of us. Anytime you have some respiratory infection, or during this COVID time, we always ask everyone to take hot water or warm water, as much hot as you can tolerate. Anytime you have an infection in the throat, prefer drinking warm water, prefer drinking hot water. But at no stage, ice cold water. I know as initially after the surgery, like any throat surgery, like tonsillitis, we used to ask people to take cold water so that he does not bleed too much. Today there is not even a need for this. Ice cold water has nothing good in it for you. Have your normal temperature water. What does water do? Sometimes you get dehydrated, and check it yourself. You're with lack of energy. You take your water, see how strong you become. Your energy level rises. You feel fresh. This is exactly what water is. You feel fresh not just on your face, you feel fresh internally. Every organ starts working properly. This is how you become much more energetic. Yes, if you are constipated, we ask you to drink extra water. One of the problem that occurs is a stone when you don't drink sufficient water, especially in a hot climate. And all that we'll ask you is to drink lots of water, pass a lot of urine, and the stone disappears. It is found that people who restrict water have a lot of other problems, like a dry skin, acne on the skin, the big pimples on the skin, even cancer, even a few inflammatory processes. So friends, stay well hydrated every day. Right from beginning to end, even in the night when you get up, develop an attitude to drink a little bit of water. Water is life. And keep it well. Your life is your responsibility, and you can definitely take care of it very well. Thank you, my friends.